What's up, you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video, we'll crack open the market, guys. QQQ and SPY, Nasdaq 100 and S&P 500. This is where I'll be spending most of my time in this video. I'll also take a look at Microsoft, Apple, Google, Amazon, Meta, and Netflix, and also Reddit. But that will be just very high level glancing over those stocks because I have done a lot of videos today and I'm running out of energy. So with that, please hit the like and subscribe, guys, if you like my videos and find them valuable. And also please note, none of this is any financial advice and is only for education purposes. So with starting off with QQQ here, what we have is, well, I have been calling this out that this is a distribution phase, and I'm pretty sure you must be deaf by now listening to me saying this is in the distribution phase. So guys, let's talk about this QQQ. Oh, well, wait, guys, sorry if I didn't tell you. None of this is any financial advice, only for education purposes. I think I should just do a screenshot of a disclaimer here so that every time I don't forget or have to say it. But anyways, guys, just an educational advice here, okay? You do whatever you want to do, and that's your business. I play no role, no part in what you want to do in the market, okay? I'm just sharing my opinion, that's all. And as an educational opinion, and that's it. This is where, yeah, we are at QQQ here. So we have this good bearish engulfing candle came, and even before that I was talking about, look at this distribution phase that we are in, guys. One thing that would help as well, so there's a feature on the trading view. They just came out with this volume candles. Now this thing what it does is take the volume and relativity to the size of the candle, and you can see the sell-off up here on the top has been happening on a strong volume, right? And if I take you real quick on the hourly interval, you can play around with this. Again, this is just more as a sentiment to see where the strong volumes are coming. And you can see the sell-off volume has been quite stronger than the buying volume lately, right? But then you are seeing the support holding on a good green volume candles as well. So, I mean, this is the data. Again, the reason this is just a good to see so that you can see that where this, use this only for flushes. Don't fully rely on it because there's a pre-market mixed as well in here. And so not all thin volume candles would tell you the full direction on it, because in pre and post market, even on thin volume, you can move the price quite a lot. So don't take this as the sole criteria, but this is a good at least place in during the regular market hour, where is the huge sell-off is happening, like black swan event and all of that. So it just helps in identifying a bit of that, but don't fully rely on this. And that's why I like to stick with the price action itself. But that's something they have it here if you want to use. I use it on, many brokers also have this feature. Trading View, it's on beta right now and shows up as new, at least for me. I don't know if others had it already, but at least for me it shows up like this now. I wanted this actually for quite some time though on my account, so finally have it. Yay. Okay, so guys, yes, where were we? QQQ. So yeah, I have been calling this out that this is the distribution phase, and we have been losing level by level. 441, as we have lost it, we have been trying to regain it, but today we gapped lower. And guys, this is about to just crater, like plummet. Like, look at it. It was shooting up, ran out of rocket fuel, and now gonna come down. Guys, here's the thing. As we start to distance ourselves from 50 days moving average to the downside on it, it can come down to 412 easily. That's the easy peasy part. We have a lot of gaps left to the downside, not just on QQQ, but on SPY as well. But yes, QQQ, in my opinion, guys, level by level can continue to break 432. If it breaks 421, that may also bring it to 413. The reason I'm not saying, even though this is the area of 395, the reason I'm not saying this fully, because it will meet 200 hours moving average here. But market is running out of options, guys. It's running out of gas here, and it just has some room to go at least lower and cool off. I'm not saying right now that it's gonna go and fill the gap down here at what, 359, but because that may take quite a while if it has to happen. Who knows? But what I'm saying is that at least the cool off is coming right now for what I'm saying, and this is the distribution phase. Again, just my opinion. If tomorrow it decides it's gonna go all the way up from 448, that's a change of price action. And the structure, that's why we have stop losses. But right now the structure to me has been looking for more than 2 months now, I guess. This is the distribution phase on QQQ. Even on hourly interval, you can see, and I'll change a few things here on my indicator first, guys. Here we go, intraday depth level low. If you need access to my tools, links in the description below of this video, guys. So you can see still rejecting that 200 hours moving average here, right? The trend direction line. So selling off, we had a hot inflation data, guys, but technicals are confirming this as a distribution phase, as a sell-off. And tomorrow, watch 435. I don't know if it's just going to break tomorrow 435, but if any support has to happen, it has to happen at 435. I won't be amazed if tomorrow it becomes a choppy day, it stays in the distribution phase, because it has been just taking forever, right? So, well, anyways, clear plays to the downside. We are already in the downside. It's just chopping and going down, chopping and going down. It's not bullish. It's just distribution phase and more cool off makeup. Okay, I have spent enough time on QQ. I felt like I just glued myself to QQQ today. Wow. All right, let's move on, guys. Let's talk about SPY here. Wow. So SPY, guys, is also in the distribution phase, but it's trying to give up, right? Finally broke that 20 days moving average today. And we are 50 days moving average. Let's see if it becomes choppy. Here it becomes choppy. It has such a clean room to the downside, as if we lose 508 now. It has a clean room to come down, guys, to lower to 477. Wow. That's a huge drop. And guys, on SPY, I can show you like gaps from like 10 years ago. I'm kidding. Not 10 years ago. But down here, look at it, last year gap. I can show you much more gap to the downside. This gap is at 397. Are you kidding me? Wow, here we go. 397 gap from the 514, 397. Wow, that will be a buying opportunity if price goes down there, if you're a long-term buyer, but we are trying to take the moves, intraday swing and all that stuff. So yes, guys, cool off. In my opinion, SPY will also give us hourly interval. It has been bearish, guys. You can see today as well, it rejected at 200 hours moving average. SPY is in the downfall now, and more chances of this continue to fall, in my opinion. Just my opinion, guys. Weak. We are looking weak. Distribution phase here as well on this thing. Again, let's see how it looks like on hourly interval with that volume candles. Look at it. You can just tell it by looking at it, the sell-off amount that has come up, right? You can just tell just by looking at it, right? Huge red candles here. Let's go to the 4 hours. Let's see how these volume candles looks like on 4 hours. Yep. Yeah, you can see the density and amount of this big, huge red candles, the volume, the fattiness of these candles, the width of these candles. We have green candles, but they are not that strong like how we have red strong candles. Let's actually go lower, a little bit back in the past when SPY started to reverse. Wow, it's like been forever. Yeah, we have had good candles, but SPY just was kept going up, right? So, but yeah, anyways, right now up on the top, I'm seeing this strong red candles. All right, let's move to the normal candles. Okay, guys, that's your QQQ SPY. Let's just high level go over what Microsoft and all that stuff is happening. I'm going to do today in the reverse order. Let's go from the bottom up. Reddit. So guys, okay, I again didn't get time yesterday. I was wanting to do this video because there was this flush opportunity and I wanted to talk about it, and I just didn't do the video. But anyways, if you have been seeing my videos, you already know what to look for in the price actions now. So yeah, this was the flush play opportunity. Let's see if it goes much lower or if this becomes a liquidity grab and shoots up. So tomorrow will be the deciding day, because if I show you ARM, actually, just for real quick, 1 second here. Oops, sorry guys. If I show you ARM here, this is what happened on ARM in the initial days. Whenever such type of flushes happens, when it breaks the bottom of those consolidations, you have to see the next day. So next day you can see it just went up, right? So this was the liquidity grab. And then we have a double bottom form here. This was the liquidity grab and we shot up. So if you want to see if Reddit is, this is not a liquidity grab on Reddit, just like it during those times it did on ARM, then it needs to either stay lower or continue lower, right? It shouldn't start to show a consolidation of the support forming here with the wick coming up, and then you see a green day coming up there. If that happens, that's a liquidity grab. I showed you an example on ARM stock as well, right? Okay, so that's Reddit. Not going to spend much time. As I said, I'm just going to glance over these things today. Netflix, I didn't open the next play. You already know that I had knocked myself out in one of the short plays there. That's fine. That's the name of the game. And right now, I think it has room to go lower, but market is stubborn. These big cap stocks are stubborn, guys. People just blindly buy them. Like a lot of these all 401ks plans and everything, money just rolls in every end of the week, like blindly. It's like another pyramid scheme out there, okay? Sorry. Yeah, it's the stock market to some degree sometimes feels like it's a pyramid scheme. Just keep pushing the money from 401ks plan and everything, and from the other side, money comes out, right, for the retirement or whatever. And so it's like just keep the money going, keep the pyramid running, more people pushing in the money and top people from, well, it's not that one person is getting rich. Pyramid scheme is like people only at the top get rich, but hey, the volume of retirement is lower than the people pushing the money who are working for, so it's a sort of pyramid scheme. Anyways, guys, just my opinion though. Meta. So Meta is, though it's daily technically bullish, guys, still it's just a pullback on this thing. We have been talking about it. I have talked about all these price actions here. Not going to repeat myself today. And it's still right now bullish on daily interval. Amazon, let's take a look at that. And Amazon just doing a pullback in my opinion today, got again bought back up. Like market is selling off, but these big cap stocks are just not giving up. Google knocked me out. Yep, it knocked me, well, not fully knocked me out, okay? I have a habit of taking partial profit, but yeah, remaining sized out. Remaining position is already knocked out up there. That's that Google. Anyways, name of the game. Well, okay. In this video, you are seeing I'm getting knocked out in quite other stocks, guys, but hey, I have made money here as well, okay? What I'm trying to say is that this video happens to be showing you the stocks where some of them have the, the stop losses hitting, but if I show you most of the stocks that I have also taken positions, which you already know, I know that. But yeah, I'm just showing you also the places where I get knocked out, right? So, and then that's why I have partial take profit. That's why I have stop losses. I'm not trusting fully though that Google is going to stay up there, but it is what it is. It's for me, it's pretty much just a break-even position, this one. But anyways, Apple. See, there is this such a big profitable trade. Okay, it's just the series that I went through that in series. A lot of those trades came where I also had stop loss. This was a huge play that I took, good profit. But yeah, guys, right now Apple has a room to continue lower down to 160. This channel, it's not bullish. It's still its direction is to the downside. It can continue lower. Microsoft, see Microsoft, that cool off play that I took there, profitable trade. Right now, I'm not planning to take any other play on Microsoft, guys. It's still just staying choppy or getting bought back up above this area right over here. So I'm not looking to take any play on Microsoft. I'm only going to play any short play on Microsoft if it loses 50 days moving average. Otherwise, right now, I'm just staying on the sideline. Market is a little bit puzzling. Things are in 100 different directions in the market, right? QQQ and SPY are falling. Microsoft and all these things are still getting bought back up. Microsoft is still trying to cling to this trend line, like the black trend line here. So yeah, this is not bearish, and I don't feel comfortable buying here at all-time highs. This doesn't mean it can't go up. As I said, there's a pyramid scheme, 401k plans, whatever, but yeah, but anyways, guys, I'm just not feeling comfortable in the market conditions to buy at the highs when I can buy at other stocks at cheaper prices. Guys, that's all for this video, okay? If you found it helpful, valuable, hit the like, subscribe, and with that, I'll see you in my next videos. Take care, bye.